How are you doing with it, brother? Good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
What's up, people?
What up, P. Jones?
What up, man? How are you?
Good, brother. You?
Good, good. What are we doing today?
I'm just preparing shisha. We should be ready in like a minute.
Yeah.
What do you think, bro? We can talk, maybe.
I don't know, man. This consolidation is a little bit annoying, honestly. I just need a move. I need either they flush us or they just push us somehow. But this consolidation, it's just annoying a bit. I took one trade last night. I took a long and then I just got out.
Oh, look at that trade. Look at this. P. Jones, though. He did the same on yes, too. Sweep, hit the target. Target to target. Sweep, and now we're going heading towards the target. So we could be going down. But, yeah. We should.
I don't want it to go deep down. I just want it, to wick and then go back again. Otherwise, we have some damage is gonna come. Here we go. Yes,
Hey.
but
Okay, finally some movements, bro.
Yes, sir. We're at the other sweep level. I took a
Good
trade
morning,
here,
guys.
I'm doing my 20 levels, but 20 accounts, but I just took a break-even trade like this. I just accidentally entered it long here, but I closed it. 92, 92. So
On the brand new Apex.
yeah, so I think I'm up like $2.
You lost some drawdown though.
Yeah. But it's fine. Oh, look at the reaction from the sweep, bro. This level is imaginary, bro. It has nothing to do with. This is just pure luck. But look at it. Oh my god. This is yesterday PM session. Touch it, go straight to target. Today we touch the sweep, we go straight to target. Then we go from target to target. Now we hit sweep, we're going towards the target with TP1 open, sweep and the target. I just need to prepare my shisha because I can't trade without my shisha.
go for it.
You guys, meanwhile, if you guys have bias, anything, share it, please.
No bias today. Market has been consolidating for the last, I don't know, 5 hours. What do you think, Bijan? I really dislike it when the market just.
I want to take one long, but I wanted to see it sustain, stay here. If it doesn't stay here, we might drag. And the reason why I was looking at the JEX for the SPY yesterday, there's a huge put wall at 735 where they were holding around there right now. So they lose this one, we have a problem. They hold, that means we're gonna push higher, but it just needs some confirmation.
Yeah, it's. Bijan, do you know that feeling when you wake up at 6 a.m. and it's 2:30 p.m. and you're already done with everything you want to do for today, so you feel tired as fuck and you just want to sleep? That's me right now, brother. That's me.
What time is it in Morocco right now? Is it what, like 3 p.m.? 4?
No, 2:24 p.m.
So it's 2 hours difference from Egypt. So it's okay. So you guys are 5 hours difference from US. Huh?
Yeah.
I have the best timing though.
You
I
still-
come from work 4 p.m. and I start market trading. Market open at 4:30.
That's nice.
Yeah.
I believe our time is better because we trade with New York. If you stay up late, you can trade Asia, and at the PM, you can trade New York AM, you know?
That's also true. Yeah. We're only 2 hours apart.
Yeah.
I think you said.
I'll be
What?
going overseas again next month. So I'll be trading your time, Luke.
You gonna be where?
I'm gonna be gone to overseas next month again.
Oh, nice, brother.
Oh, where are you going, though?
Yeah, where?
Home. Going home. Egypt.
Oh, you
The
got
land of
Egypt.
fair.
Egypt?
Yeah.
If you pass by Morocco, let me know.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, you're going for the Eid. Got it.
No. I'm not going on the Eid. Actually, I'm gonna go after Eid.
Ah, okay.
All right. All right, we got a lot of people in here. Let's go. So,
Yeah.
good morning, Guy. Good morning, Deb. Good morning, everybody. El Crack, Mullaman, Guy, Boone, On, Derby, El Crack. Luke said, Luke, I swear a few weeks ago you were hating on people who copy. Derby, that is so true, bro. For the past 4 or 5 years, I've been hating on anybody who trades 2 accounts, let alone 20. But
Yeah.
it is. I don't know. It's just we've been making $200 consistently, so it's not. We don't. It's not really a problem if we just do it on a different account as well, right? And that would be my only first. That would be my first trial ever, and that would be my last trial ever. So if this work goes well, we continue the accounts. If this ends up with a payout and a fail, I'll stop. If it ends up with a fail, I'll stop. So we'll see. So I did want to.
Also, we are doing this like content-wise.
Yeah, and we need, yeah, so we want to show that we can hit big numbers. So pretty much, guys, why I did not take a trade is because it's 9:26. So we didn't market, it didn't open, but we expect again 9:24 to 9:30. We expect the manipulation to end. We're way beyond the manipulation. So technically speaking, post 9:30, all these highs should stay intact. If we're really bearish, we should see them stay intact. Okay. We're gonna try to get 200 back, or maybe we'll see it per trade and see how it goes from there. Okay. But I just don't like how I wish the stream started somewhere around here. Okay. And by the way, those who trade the sweep strategy, I have made it insane. I made it insane. Okay. You guys have not a single idea. I just mind blown. Just like this new indicator, I just mind blown this. Our TPs are now at least 80, 100, 200 points. In the past 2 weeks, we had 20 trades. We had 7 losses and 13. No, we had 4 losses and 14 wins. So we've got 70% win rate. That's never achieved on this week. But you guys can see that it's literally insane. Look at the huge TPs. TP after TP, TP after TP. Each TP is literally, this is with 3 micros, you would have made 5k just since last Monday. So in 5 trading days. I introduced standard deviations into indicator. If you guys are wondering what the new feature is, it's standard deviations. So these TPs are one standard deviations. I'd even try 1.5 or 2 or 0.5 for that matter. But so Nuke aims for premium session low. We are looking for longs, right? But this is obviously, it just keeps on continuing down. Looking at our time and price, we swept and now we're pushing towards our target down here. We have to check where we are in price. So we can see that on NWAG, NDOG, we can see that we have NWAGs, NDOGs below us. We have NWAG, NDOG above us, but they're very far away. Always target the closest thing to you. Looking at Spaceman key levels, we see that we got previous daily low. exactly near our sweep. So that's why you can, when you shorted here, perhaps maybe with a chosh. Give me a sec. When you shorted with a chosh, you would have got chosh right there, and you would have been taking partials here, the sweep level, previous daily low, the open, and you would hold towards the target, but you got previous weekly low as well. So we got a lot of levels next to us. Let me remove this too. So we got previous weekly low, target below us, all below us, right? We got 830 open, we got the sweep and target above us. So now we know where we are in price, right? We know that this area might hold the price, so we might get a rejection up. That's why I didn't want to participate in the shorts here. I would have liked them to be somewhere around here. So I'll probably take the short on the breakout of this. Once we break out from here, I'll take the short towards previous weekly low and target. But right now, where we are in price, we're in a very bullish area after sweeping London liquidity. So we're getting market open right now. We're getting a sweep. We're going to get a bullish chosh right here. And probably I'll be taking that trade. I'll be taking a long just because it's a pure sweep strategy trade. But we still got 2.4 minutes on this candle, so we'll have to wait. If we do get a chosh, we might take the trade. And if we want a target, we'll have a target at sweep. Now TP1, of course, these highs, that target. And if we have any NWAG, NDOG, we don't. Do we have any spaceman key levels? No, we don't. It's just pumping. Damn. All right, we got 2.5 minutes left on this candle, so probably it's gonna hit all our targets before letting us in. While it's going up, we can see that we've got a low, lower low, higher high. Once this candle closes above this swing high, above the chosh candle, we're gonna get a breaker block, right? So in anticipation of it, you can keep it on. Don't extend it because it's not confirmed yet. But so you don't forget it, put it on there. And just like I said all the time, guys, in every video, every live stream, if we got a breaker block, we instantly have standard deviation. Same way, low, lower low, higher high. So you go from the lowest thing to the only swing high between these two lows, and you get one standard deviation here. That's our TP1 for targeting. TP2 becomes NWAG, NDOG, and these other levels, okay? But they're really far away, so I don't really need to watch them. But this, for the longs, this TP is what we're looking for. TP for longs, okay? After this point, we will wait for, do we close above 1? If with a body, if yes, then we go to 1.5. If we wick it and close below with the red candle, then we're gonna come back to the equilibrium of the range, which is pretty much somewhere around here, okay? We're about to hit TP1 for the longs. Unfortunately, we still have 1 minute on that candle to not fill us in. So if you took a long, congratulations.
There's a diversion between ES and NQ. ES is going down, ES, NQ is going up.
Yes, it's going down.
Yeah, it's like kind of hold, it didn't move.
Oh, yes is about to flush.
Yeah.
Oh, yes is about to flush. Oh,
Unless they
maybe
like
not.
snap it again.
Maybe not. Nah, this it's no longer gonna flap. It's not gonna slap. Look, ES same way. It touched that. The sweep level without NWAG there. Now we're cracking. I think we can go to our target. I think both NQ and MNQ is good. Oh, look at NQ. It's just cracking up.
I know, man. It's crazy.
We called the longs, guys, but it was unfortunately it was a fresh 3 minute. We have to wait 3 minutes. Now we're approaching the close of the candle. But at this point, we got accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So, but yeah, from manipulation level, now we can go target. So we have a target for longs. Okay. We're obviously going to close above that one standard deviation. So we're going to go to 1.5. So I'm going to look for a long towards that target. If it lets me in. Oh, this is just too overextended, guys. If you guys want, go long here. I was gonna click long
I'm gonna
right
go long
here.
here. This is lagging. Just, but be careful, just in case.
This is TP, guys. This is max TP right now. I'm gonna say, okay, nice. We got that. Okay. Maybe we got a chance. Let me see. Let me evaluate. Okay, we got a breaker here. I don't know. I want to start 2 micros right here, guys. It's just gonna it's gonna run. Ah, it's filled me a really bad place. We just need $200. The stop loss is gonna be really far away though. We might add on this breaker block. This is really, that's what happens, guys. You call the long right here, but you end up buying at the top. That's the reality of trading, right? In hindsight, oh, we could have this, break a block, take a trade. Looks very nice in hindsight, but when you're really trading, if you're really gonna follow your rules, you'll have to wait. Anyway, we have to hit that target before ES starts flushing, because when you see the market pump really fast, it's not hunting liquid, it's hunting liquidity, right? You want it to, if you think it's gonna go up, it's gonna go up slowly, right? Like this. This is slowly, small candles. Okay, we're gonna probably add one more on this breaker block. We got another breaker block here, so technically we can also count that as a breaker block. We can start a position where they maybe intersect. Do we have any BPR anywhere here? Do we have any BPR, guys? Yes.
Come on, yes, don't be a pussy.
We got tiny BPR right here. Maybe we should enter on it. First, I need to check my stop loss. Okay. This is as low as we can go. This is right now a stop loss, guys. Okay. If I start staying flushing below these breaker blocks, I'll have to start taking things off. But right now, this should give us more than. This should give us about $300. This should give us $352. We don't even need that much.
And ES is still going down. Sucker.
ES is scaring me, bro. ES, if it flushes, it's gonna go here, guys. We might put like a short as well in ES. Nah, I'm sticking to this plan.
I'm watching 75. 75 is important. If they hold it again and then they start pushing. Maybe that was why that they wanted to touch it first. Which they almost did. Now it's recovering a bit.
Let's go. We're up to $150. Come on. We can close here, guys. If you 300, come on, 300. We're almost at TP. If you guys want to go break even or just take fully close here, you guys can. Let's see if we can go to our TP. Come on, one more push, one more push. Midpoint of that wick. Come on. Break even right now.
Yeah, freaking strong NQ this morning.
Come on, one more push, one more push. If it flushes, it's gonna flush and takes us out. There we go, come on, come on. Come on, go on. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go, guys. Let's fucking go. All right, we literally bought the top and we still had a nice, another 60-point move, guys. I need W's in the chat right now. Oh,
nice, nice. And ES is catching up a little bit.
Bro, this
a little bit.
Fusion, this was 200 points, bro. This was 200
I know,
points.
man, that's a great. I was so surprised that NQ was pushing so hard that ES was kind of like dumb, but ES is starting to do it right now. Let's go.
Oh, it's fire, bro. This
It's
huge
my
candle.
money.
Let's fucking go. We wanted $200, guys. I got you guys $360.
That's awesome, dude.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So that's 360 times 20. That's 7K day today,
Yeah,
guys.
so a lot of folks probably don't know. We have to do another deployment Wednesday night.
Wait, we've already done.
7K day, guys.
I took 10 points on ES, first 10 points, and then let's see what happens.
Beautiful, 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 beautiful.
Let's go.
Our last on that breaker block, we entered our breaker block, and that was also 91 points on our last partial. I mean partial in. Beautiful. So just a little quick recap, guys. London, Nuke aims at previous session low. We hit our sweep level. This is with the charge. That's the perfect place to go along. I was expecting us to get inside here, but this candle was so elongated. It was a fresh 3-minute candle, right? So we had to wait 3 minutes. And even though we're seeing it push up, I still took the trade because why? I know my target. And I know that we have breaker blocks here. We got a breaker block here. We got a breaker block here. We got a breaker block here. So you got that retracement exactly to the breaker block. You can see we got almost zero drawdown entry on that breaker block. Look, right? And you can follow through, right? This is a sweep strategy combined with our thing. You can trade it on your own. We hit the sweep level. Actually, first we hit the sweep level. You go on a chosh and you target that target below, right? But that already printed you literally 116 points. So you took partials here. You held the runners. But since we swept London low, we called that for day. We called that shorts momentarily or for this session to be done. And if we got that close below with a body, we would have gone a short to the target, just like on ES. But obviously market open went up. And well, guys, what did we say? At 9:24 to 9:30, after 9:30, we expect all the manipulation to end, right? Do you see any low being taken after 9:30? Nope. 9:30 open, it just smacked the run, a slam dunk to the top, like Kobe.
Yeah, it was nice too.
It was very nice. Yeah, yeah. I'm just sad we missed on an extra 100 points back.
Okay.
It was good stuff, guys. Hope you guys made money. Nice. Just 20 minutes on live and W. Yes. I'm glad you guys all took it. I love it.
Look, how much are you up for today?
7.2k.
Nice, man. MashaAllah.
It's just 350. It's just 351 point something. But times that by 20, that's 7 point something k.
And you see the power of copy trading when
100%.
when you know that you're gonna get your base hits for today, and you have
100%.
so many accounts, you know that you're gonna bank eventually.
100%, bro. I just don't like copy trading because if I flop, I just wasted $2,000, right? So if I start trading manually and on one account and I get a payout, that payout is gonna be like 1k or 1.5k, so I'm still in debt, right? And I'm not gonna just blow 20 accounts and call it a day. I'm gonna buy another 20 accounts because probably the market went to my TP without me, and I'm just pissed. And this is the truth of trading, right? So you just 2k after 2k after 2k. By the end of the day, you just spend 10k. Look at that, how it hit our target and just done. Oh, just perfect. Here, 8th market opened, not market, our level opened. We touched the sweep. We got a chosh right there. Target the target. Beautiful trade. In the PM session, touch it, sweep. Sorry, we didn't touch it here. We didn't touch it here. We touched it here. Touch it, sweep, get a chosh right here, target the target. And the AM session yesterday, we took it anyway. With a target to target. Today, we hit the sweep. We went down 116 points. Unfortunately, we didn't go to the target. But we went for that target, right? Because we're bullish. In a bullish buy program, you should be you expect the bullish targets to be hit and the bearish ones not to be hit. It doesn't mean you're not gonna get a nice short setup. This was 116 points. This is something we never did on stream before. From last week, before last week, we were just looking for 10 points, 20 points trades, right? Now we're looking for minimum 100. So, yeah. This is the same on GC, on gold. So if you guys like trading gold, if it opens, where's the chart? Well, I don't know what just happened.
That's the incorrect chart.
Oh, yeah. Okay, my bad. I got scared for a second. GC, same thing with GC. Look at that. Just beautiful, guys. We opened, we touched the sweep. You wait for a chosh. You take the trade here and you go for the target. All right. Here, we hit the sweep. We didn't get a chosh to go to the target. So we expect what? A break below and then go towards the bearish short. This is a continuation move. That's what I was expecting on NQ today. We were expecting, we hit the sweep. We're looking now for shorts. We're TP1, TP2, and we're expecting to go to the target. However, what happened? It did not close below it. I was telling you guys, we want a close below, a breakout. I was saying the word breakout. And then even on the breakout, I don't need a retest. I'll take a short here and I'll maybe add on the retest. But I'll be going there, right? Since that didn't play out, we go here. Our targets are very, 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 they're very hasty in the term that when it rushes towards it, it will go for it very fast, right? And yeah, so this is done. I think for the AM session, this is done. We'll see what we have opportunities. But if I go, for example, on CL, if you guys like trading CL is, for example, right now it swept. If we get a chosh, maybe we can go back down to that open and that second sweep and that target. CS today in London, this is London, you can see in London, to the tick. In London, it opened, We went down, we touched this manipulation level, the sweep level. Now we got a chosh. You enter the chosh and you take your first TP at the sweep level. And we still did not go for the target, but we're really approaching towards that. So this is a huge trade, which is still in play. I think ES did also very good. ES, same thing as we touch this, we open, we touch the sweep, we get a charge, and you go straight for the target. That's a nice from the charge. If we check from the charge, that's another nice 50 ticks on ES. ES, touch the sweep. Oh, look at ES. ES is literally breaking what NQ is doing. We can short this right now, to be honest with you. We touch the sweep on ES. We touch the sweep. We hit TP1, TP2. Now we're breaking below the sweep. We should be able to go to the target. Do we have any other levels there? We got NWAG. We got key levels. We got key levels there too. So, but we got previous daily low here. So I wouldn't really... If we just broke out here on that candle, we'd have shorted at first TP at the previous daily low and got towards the previous weekly and our final target. Okay. Let me see if you guys have any questions. Any questions, guys? Thank you, Mulaman. Guy. I'm expecting, because we got previous daily low here, we might get a little bit of retracement, to be honest with you. But essentially, we should be going there. High, higher, high, lower, low. So on ES, if you guys are ES traders, P Jones, this is for you. You got a breaker block here. What else you got? You got a nice unicorn entry as well. But I don't trade unicorns, guys. Unicorns is basically an FVG inside a breaker block. What I like to trade is a BPR inside a breaker block. That's my strongest entry. But we don't have that, unfortunately. So you should be looking for a nice entry here. Target again, the previous daily low, previous weekly low, target. But if this wasn't here right now, if I did not turn this on, I would be shorting heavily. Okay. There's decoupling between NQ and ES. Look how he goes to our target and he just flips. What did I say to you guys? It's going fast. When you see the market pumping really fast, it's going to a very specific place. Okay? It's not going for highs. It's not going for highs. Okay? It's not going for an FVG. It's going just, it's programmed to go against you. Okay? Those who are shorters to get stopped out, and those who are one to long, they will get their longs. But after seeing this move, they will expect to be taken at least this high up, right? No. Never trust it. When you see it's pumping very fast, don't trust it, guys. It is not for longs. It's going from somewhere specific, and in my honest opinion, I thought this is going to be the target or the NWAG above it. Look, we didn't even touch the end dog. It's insane. Now we can obviously invest this 5 minute, 3 minute, and we can go back straight to the target. We can go back to the target, go get in line with ES, because ES is still dumping. So that's our first day, guys, on that 20 account. So, guys, if you join every day, hopefully we'll get a payout together, right? Okay. I'm trading 20 accounts. I have a lot of risk on. And I'm also clicking the buttons for you guys on the chart. Like, I shouldn't be doing so, but I'm clicking them for you. So you guys can see I'm not just like... making what more than what you guys doing, but you guys are feel free to do whatever. I might, for instance, take one micro here, but I might take 10 minis on my other account, right? But I'm gonna try to keep it all at the same thing. So whatever you see here is gonna be there as well. Okay. So this is getting bought back right up back into this zone. Again, I expect some nice entry short towards here. To be honest with you, if you're looking for a nice short, maybe this is somewhere. This could be for you. You can target this TP1 at the rejection block. I'm not taking this mainly because of that previous daily level. It's gonna do some manipulation, which I don't like. But this here is a very nice, it's a very great area to manipulate into. Okay. And unfortunately, I don't see anything else except Give me a second. I see a nice BPR.
Both now MQ and ES touched the low of the day yesterday. So, and ES is trying to pump again. After you see, I was looking for that 75. They waited all the time to come back and touch it.
Oh yeah, it's pushing very hard. That previous daily low. Pigeons, you see, I told you guys if this wasn't here, I'll be shorting it heavily. But this is gonna do manipulation. I still think it should manipulate into this area and go down back. ES is not my specialty. It's what's his name? It's Pigeons. He's the master at ES.
But I need to see a strong push above, like, you know, to get us to 74.05. If they can't do that, they're not gonna be able to push.
Are you looking for higher or lower?
Higher. From 75, I wanted to see higher. If they can, then we're gonna flush down. But for now, they're holding it. So. And we're getting the 950 macro now. So if they flush, then we're gonna go down.
Nice. Hold on, let me invite guys so he can speak. Who can else speak? Dep V2 says it went close to London High but didn't tap it. So are you talking about ES?
No, ES didn't even reach London High.
Nah, it's very far away. London High is up here. But I can get if what you're coming from, bro. I think you have different. You have like the forex time starts in like session timings. Our one starts from midnight to 8 a.m. That's our London. That FEG should hold. I don't know. I'm thinking we should go lower maybe. I think we should go lower, Pigeons.
Yeah, there's a possibility. If they start flushing below that 75, yeah, they will.
It was NQ. Yeah, MNQ. It's you mean this one? Yeah, it's still a bit far away. It's not that close, but yeah, about 70 points, which is nothing. We bought the top and we made 70 points. Like, goddamn. All right, so I'm looking at the chart right now, and it's very, very, very clustered. I don't like clustered things. So I'm just gonna debunk a little bit of stuff. Gonna go ahead and remove the settings. You guys saw the execution anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove that. Yeah, that's much cleaner. So imagine you're trading right now. You open the chart. We're gonna do this exercise every single day. You open the chart. You don't know where you are. What did we do? Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Or are we just took the high and we're dumping? We got a bullish FEG. Do we long? We got a bearish FEG. We're expecting to be short. It's very. I don't know what to do. I would say 50-50, right? So that's why you turn on the indicators first. You see, okay, New York M swept previous session low. Nice. What did we do? We swept the London lows. So we should be looking for up, right? Nice. Step 2. Did we hit any targets? We got N-Dog above us. Nice. We got N-Wag above us. Nice. We got N-Dog below us, which is very far. Okay. Notice I'm not talking about any highs. I don't care about highs. If you want to look about highs, swing highs, then look at the midpoint between them. The midpoint of the wick between them, right? These are very tiny, but like this. Don't look at this swing low, look at the midpoint. So, step 3, spaceman key levels. Do we have any key level next to us? Okay, we bounced from the previous daily low. Oh, so what we did was we swept London low, we respect the previous daily low, and we're pushing up. Nice, we gave a chosh, we got an FEG. Nice, now we're just bullish reaccumulation profile. I don't like using these terms, I've never used them, but they sounded nice, so I wanted to say it. But what else do we have? What about right now? Right now, so we talked about what happened. We talked about what may happen, so the targets are very obvious. But where are we right now? Nice, we got low, lower, low, higher, high. So we got a breaker block right here. The highest green candle is the breaker block. Since we have 2, by the way, if you guys don't know how to draw a breaker block or a BPR or an FEG or any of the concepts I use, there's a bootcamp on the YouTube. It's free, okay? Watch it. I think I'll be posting another video today. Watch it. It's very tiny videos, 5-10 minutes videos. It'll bring you up to speed. And they are the things we use every day. I'm not teaching you stupid concepts. Not stupid. Really nice concepts that we never use, right? I just teach you what we apply so you guys can understand very easily. But since we repeat every single time the same things, it shouldn't be really a matter, a problem. So we had a breaker block. Nice. We got an FEG. Nice. We got a chosh. Nice. So we had equilibrium. Nice. So that's what we are right now. So where do we want to go? We want to go to the closest TP. What's our closest TP? That rejection block, midpoint of this wick, this swing high, and that end dog. If we're going long, right? Now you can flip it around. Okay? How? You can't flip it around. You just nuke AM, so previous session low. You're looking for longs. Okay? Based on our time and price map, we did hit our target for the distribution. But distribution has not ended yet. Yes, we hit our target, the distribution target. We manipulated in the sweep level and we went straight, we opened, manipulated in the sweep level and we went straight to the target, right? But that distribution ends when? It ends between 10:23 and 10:34. So we literally got about 45 minutes left of bullishness, in my honest opinion. So if you're looking for a long, you can expect this end dog and daily open and weekly open and that end dog and that weekly gap, the end dog to be hit and London high as we go through them, right? You can expect all these targets to happen. So if you're still looking for a long, you just need to find yourself an entry, maybe a chosh, maybe after break hit a chosh, maybe an inversion of this, right? Maybe inversion of this, maybe just retracement into the equilibrium. So we pushed up, you got retracement back to equilibrium right here, or maybe to the OTE. You can see any target you think of, or the breaker block, or the sweep level, or that FEG, or the consequent encroachment of that FEG, or that lower breaker block right here. It is completely, that's the one we were going to go on, by the way, guys, remember? But I just pushed it right away 3 micros. So you got 10 opportunities to enter the trade. But why can't you do this on your own? Because you don't follow these 3 steps. First step, where did we come from? What did we do? We swept London lows. We bounced from previous day lows, so we should be looking for longs. Nice, I got the bias. Step 3, I'm skipping step 2. Step 3, my targeting. I'm looking to target end dog, daily open, weekly open, these NWOGs, my target level, that swing high, those rejection block. For example, London high, etc., etc. Okay? And step 2 is where we are right now. Are we in a place to be buying? Yes. When you look at it, you have multiple opportunities, different ways to be participating in this long. You could have had the best entry here. You could have had the second best entry here, third best, fourth best. So it's just a matter of bestest to best. I know bestest is not a word, but it's, you guys get the gist, all right? Notes we didn't close.
Keep it simple, right?
Sorry?
I said keep it simple.
100%.
Simple's always been.
Oh, Chadley, we got Chadley in the house. What up, Chadley?
What up, Chad? Hey man, I ain't made it out. I ain't made it out of Oklahoma yet, but I'm gonna drive through today though. I'm gonna hit you up. We didn't win our tournament. We got third, so it was kind of frustrating past couple of days. But we ended up getting third. But whatever.
I think Chadley has his mic off. Chadley, it's a kind reminder. Yeah. So guys, my intuition tells me we want lower. Okay. That's my own intuition. But what the market is giving you is what you take, right?
That's right. Don't overstay your welcome.
Exactly. So you expect it to go to the end dog, go out of your first target. We got out at our target. But you still have time for longs until 10:23, 10:34. What about if you don't want a long? You want to go short. Like my intuitions tell me to go short. What do? You just wait until time where we expect distribution to end. So 70% of the time, we ended the manipulation by this time. And you can see it happen today, yesterday, the day before, the whole of last week, every single time. We caught time to the tick, right? Not price to the tick, time to the tick. Like we say, yes, on the last stream, I think it was yesterday, we called out our TP. We said our TP is going to get hit. When is yesterday? Here. We said the TP is going to hit 10:33, right? We said our TP, look, you can see here. Yesterday on stream, we took that trade. 10:33, we expect distribution to hit its target and be called off with, right? So we were dumping. When did we hit that target box? Look at that price below me. What does it say here? 10:33. That is just, it's mind-blowing. It's mind-blowing, okay? And after that, what happened? It just died off. It literally died off. It was very red candles until then. gonna hit that target. So time and price, guys. This is the first time I introduced time for you guys, other than the macros. So if you're looking for shorts, wait until 10:23 to 10:34 to end. That way you will know that at least now we don't have any bearishness, right? The bullishness, bullish, like a time where there's gonna be a spool of orders to get the market upwards. Or if you're looking for longs, you can hold your longs till then. So it gives you a window. So we start 8:30, we end our day by 11, right? We ended our day with one trade in literally 3 minutes. But, market open at 9:30, 9:33 we entered, 9:36 we were out. Chad is gonna be back. Hey Ashante. I see a lot of new faces. You guys have any questions regarding the indicators, regarding what they mean, regarding how we took the trade? I think it was a pretty straightforward trade. Everybody made money. It was just very simple. We could have had the best entry, but unfortunately, just waiting, you might get less of the pie. But either way, if I entered here, I'm looking for 200-300 bucks. I entered here and I made 350 bucks. Like, so it really doesn't matter. It's just a perspective. So we're approaching 10 a.m. We're inside a macro. I don't trade macros. I only trade Pigeon's level, I think, timing. So 10:10 and 10:10 and 10:15 and 11:10, 11:15. Those timings Pigeon's proved over and over. They're really, really, really powerful. You'll see movement then. Okay. Oh, Ashante, hold on, let me invite you. If you guys want to speak, you can just put your hand up and I'll invite you.
Yo, what's up?
What up, brother? Did you take a long? I've been longing this since last week. I've been just taking longs, bro. What did you guys do to me?
Honestly, I was asleep, and so when I woke up and I looked at my charts and saw it hit my level and it was at TP, I was like, oh, okay, I'll just wait.
Yeah.
In fact, I'm 300 away from a payout across my 17 accounts.
That's fucking
so, I just need to wait. I'm trying to be patient right now because price ain't doing shit. So I'm just gonna wait for something to take place and catch a good trade, ideally to my 300 and walk away.
Take your time, brother. I'm on day one, so I'm way behind you, but I'm on day one.
How much did you make?
350.
Hell yeah, brother. Let's go.
Let's go. 20 accounts.
20 accounts. God.
Yeah, it's like insane. Like you look at TradeOver, mashallah. You look at TradeOver and you see the contracts become like 180. Like I'm like, what? We took 3 micros, but 3 times 20, it was 60 something. I was like, am I doing something wrong? It always gets me all the time. Waleed, welcome back, brother.
What are you copying through?
Sorry,
what are you copying on?
What am I doing? What?
What do you do? What do you use to copy?
Replicanto.
Oh, awesome. Okay, I use the same thing.
Yeah, but I'm gonna build us our own, bro. I'm gonna build us our own. I think I'm gonna build us our own. Yeah, because I don't trust Replicanto, bro. I don't trust that. Like, I'm not gonna hold trades with that. Like, I'm maximum 2-3 minutes. I have my Windows laptop next to me and it's just too tedious. I want to do this on Mac. I know there's like Trade Syncer and stuff like that, but Trade Copia, but these are cloud-based. Cloud-based is prone to so many errors. So guys, what did I say? My intuition, we're looking for down. This is from my own experience, guys. This is from my own experience. When you see something so many times, you just expect that to go down. But everything's being bullish. The chart is being 100% bullishness, right? And it can still get bought right back up.
It's crazy that they were just freaking up and down with these candles. Just nuts. At least on the ES. Just shitty for now again.
Yeah, I want to attempt short on ES. But that previous daily low, if that wasn't there, I would be shorting ES and NQ, but...
Yeah. Every time they come near and they almost touch it, like first time when they touch, but they come near and they try to pop a little bit.
100%. So we got a BPR here. So this is another opportunity to go short. right here. Target 8:30 open. That will be partial one. Previous daily low sweep. But again, I think we need to wait. If we're looking for, if we're gonna wait for longs, we have to do something by now. If we're looking for shorts, we have to wait a little bit, guys. It gives you comfort of time. It gives you comfort of peace of mind, right? You see it dumping. Oh damn, I want to go short. No, you don't need to be short because we're still in a buy program till 10:23, 10:34. This indicator proved that every
Alright,
single
I'm
session.
back.
Sorry.
I'm back.
Oh, Walid, what's up, brother? You missed our beautiful trade.
No, I was here when I saw the trade. I saw you made 7,000 across 20 accounts, so 300 per account.
Let's go. 350, but some accounts got 360, some accounts got 348, something like that.
Stupid trade of 8.
It's replicanto, but trade away is the same too. I tried both.
Stupid replicanto. Mhm.
Yeah.
I mean, I've been using Replicanto for years, and you have to just keep in mind is that if you have 20 accounts, you're going to catch some serious lag. So I usually only trade like maybe 7 or 8 accounts at a time because of that reason. It sucks.
Is it because of the computer or is it because of the tool itself?
It's because of the tool itself, and I've like researched it.
I didn't see lag. I didn't see lag, but I saw that some accounts are like getting in like tandem, you know, like one after the other, not at the same time. And when I'm
Yeah,
getting
that's
out, some get
why-
out first.
That's why I like the X feed, to be honest.
But can you copy 20 accounts there?
No, but you can. The issue with Tradeovate is you can choose Quant Tower. Yeah,
Yeah.
I just remembered that.
Look at it dumping, guys. My intuition said short right here. We didn't get that inversion, and we're dumping. I don't know. Still in the buy program for me right now. So you remove the guesswork. You're just chilling. You got an hour and a half of trading. If you're at a job, you can just set this timing, like 8:30 or 9:30 to 11 as your break, right? I don't know if you guys can do that, but those who are on different side of
Yeah,
the world.
that's what I used to do last time in my old job. But right now my daily meeting is exactly as markets open.
Yeah.
Damn it.
I'm also hungry. I haven't had breakfast or lunch or dinner. It's 5 p.m. So I don't know. Shall I continue trading on these accounts or just call out for you guys to take on your own? I don't know.
Yeah, just call out. You don't have other accounts?
I was gonna buy. I have a live account with ETF and one Bolinox. That's it. I'm gonna buy ETF.
Yeah, maybe trade one of those or like get like a cheap account from YRM or something, you know?
Yeah, don't mess around with the 21s. Like the 20 accounts, if you already played and you already made your money this morning, don't mess it around like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would, especially since you are still in the train and drawdown bullshit.
Yeah, guys, you can go short here. You can go short here. You can go short here, guys. 3 micros. Go short here. Take 2 partials at previous weekly low. 1 partial here. Oh, let me see ES. ES is going to our target.
Okay.
You can also short ES, P Jones.
Yeah. I exited the trade.
We got 2 immediate rebalances on NQ, so we're gonna expect very, very fast candles down. So you're not gonna see. We got immediate rebalance here, so you're not gonna see like small candles, like wicking candles. But please keep in mind this is very short paced, okay? Not the word short for shorts, the word short paced. So you will see huge candles, you will see very fast candles, but they're short lived, okay? So they won't last too long. So don't try to overwhelm your stay. Look for previous weekly low, end dog, and potentially our target. So we'll go from target to target and just call it the session of AM session done. This is also a breaker block. These are the breaker block right here.
It's a bit strange that everything in the market is red. Dixie, GC, CL, everything is red. It's not like, they're like taking one side of anything.
Yeah, also the correlation between assets is crazy today.
Yeah. Maybe I should go on paper show.
Apple is the last standing soldier green.
Well, the account I was on was also anyway demo, so could have took it on there, but ready? 3 micros here. This is our maximum TP. If you need $200, go for 200. If you want the previous weekly low a little bit more, you can go for it. You want the maximum TP, but we're gonna be taking partials. I'm not just too satisfied with the stop loss, but because of these immediate rebalances, we should expect some push downs. I might adjust my stop loss, guys, keep that in mind. The safest one would be here, which is too much right now.
Yeah.
We got that volume imbalance, which may want to fail. We got midpoint of that wick, which is a very targetable place. Okay, this is much better. Yeah, we go up to 100, let's go. Keep it just one few ticks away above the previous weekly, just in case they do something nasty. In fact, keep it 5 points above. 5 points above. 5 points above. It pumping and not taking that volume imbalance is a sign of uncertainty. If we tapped it and dropped, I would be safe fully short. So it's gonna give us a little bit of hecticness.
Sign of exhaustion.
Yeah.
The fight goes on.
Yep.
This is not good. This is not good. I told you guys that immediate rebalance is gonna give you big candles, but it's gonna be short-lived. Maybe it's just to take out those lows. Did ES dump to our target? Not yet.
No.
We still
They're
got
holding previous daily low like in dear life.
We've got 20 minutes left of bullish.
The last line of defense.
Yeah. They flush, they're gonna get 55 and 40s. They cannot hold it.
This is the annoying type of setups where it takes so much time for it to develop,
Yeah. We're getting there. We're getting there. Come on. That's
Yeah.
200. That's 300. That's 300. Let's go. TP1 hit. Let's go. TP2. You should be taking one off here too, to
Alright.
be honest with you. Let's take one off here just in case. I'm on one left, guys. Stop loss to break even.
Break even as usual.
Yep. That's $200 secured. 100 still running.
And you know what you should do if you leave a runner?
What?
Let it ride. Am I right, boys? Am I right, boys?
Yes, sir. We entered here, so
And thank
technically.
you, our previous
100
weekly
point.
low.
Let's go. Come on.
You took anything today, Mullerman? Or are you still flat?
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Al Crack, I know you are up money. I already know you took something on London and right now New York.
There we go, guys. Come on. Last touch. Let's fucking go. Hey, you didn't film me, little bitch. Bruh.
Oh.
Oh my god. Okay, why, like...
Well, that'll happen. That'll happen.
I told you guys 5 points away, but apparently it has to be 5.1 points away. To be honest with you, let's move it down. And let's just trail.
Let's go, Al Crack. Let it ride.
Okay, I'm gonna get out right at that dog. Come on. Yeah, hit it again, bro. Come on. Nah, this can't be real, bro.
That shit happened to you twice, back to back last week.
Yeah, longs and short, bro. That was insane.
the two time back to back.
Guys, I hit the end dog, so it may flush back up so heavily, so fast. So I'm gonna decrease. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh, finally. It feels the same. We still have our maximum target, but we need doubles in the chat, ladies and gents. Where we entered was 100 points. 102 point trade. But when I initially told you guys to enter was here, so this was 90 points.
That's still good, but the fact that the stop loss was big, that's what made the trade like only 3 micros.
Yeah.
Guys, base hits are the thing, you know. Multiple accounts, base hits. Even if you lose, you're gonna lose like what, $100, $200. You can always recover that.
Exactly. Exactly.
Sheesh, Shante, let's go.
Whoa, let's fucking go, Ashante. If I took this trade too on those accounts, that was another 400. That would have been 700 something there.
Nice.
Nah,
15k, bro.
let's fucking go with Shante. Holy shit.
Damn, Ashante, kicking ass.
Let's fucking
Thank you.
go.
Thank you.
Nice work.
So technically, it's 12. It's 12 accounts that are funded with Apex, and I got another 5 that are funded with Tradeify that need one more day, and then I just got another 5 funded accounts with Apex that I activated yesterday. So those won't be able to get paid out until Friday, essentially.
Let's
Probably.
fucking go.
So
You can copy trade
Hold on.
other firms too, right? At the same
so
time.
what?
Can you copy like multiple firms at the same time?
Hell yeah!
Yeah,
I do it all the time.
yeah.
Holy shit.
That's what I have.
Yeah.
That's what you're seeing. That number is mixture of Apex and Tradeify.
Oh shit. Then I'm gonna get are they the same like the same feed, like all trade away?
Yeah.
Or
Yep, they're all Tradeify.
No. They all have to be the same feed.
oh okay.
They don't have to be the same feed. You can have different feeds.
Nice.
No, but he's using Replicanto, and Replicanto is a bit.
No, a Ninja
You can
Trader
have
allows you
trust me.
one
You can have
connection.
different feeds. I've had I used Rhythmic on Top Step, and I used Tradeivate, and I did it all through Replicanto.
Yeah, but you use Rhythmic and Trade Away. you only get one connection allowed. So if you have traded
Oh yeah,
from
one
multiple-
connection. Yeah, one connection.
Yeah. Well, ladies and gents, we just hit our maximum TP, our target. From target to target. My
target.
institution said go short here, but we got it at the bottom, so it's all fine, guys.
That was a continuation trade, which is also good to know, you know?
Yeah. You guys enjoying this? You guys making money?
First one, very cool.
What's that?
Hey, Ashanti, good fucking shit, bro.
That's fucking
Thanks.
Keep up the good work. Oh, El Crack is still holding. Let's fucking go. Trade your stop, bro.
I mentioned Elcrack in the previous short video. I was like, that guy still holds. I bet he's still holding.
Yeah, also, Mulaman, I would suggest taking a break, bro. Take a break, reassess, get some money, invest in like a small account like YRM or something. It's like $80. Shouldn't be too hard or bank breaking. You can also get the builder accounts from My Funded Future. You know, take it slow, nice and easy, steady.
Yeah. Get an account and trade with us. Like, the teams are free.
Yeah, stick to one thing. Stick to one thing.
Yeah.
Don't stop jumping from one thing to another, because at the end you will see that you ain't doing shit jumping strategy to strategy.
Yeah. Guys, look at this. It's just so beautiful. From here all the way up there. This kind of just so huge. We have to get at the top. Yeah, finally coming around to trying to stick to one.
Yeah, strategy hopping is one of the things where you just shooting yourself in the foot. Just have to find one, because here's the thing. Let's say that you have a strategy that has like a 70% win rate. So basically, every 10 trades, like theoretically speaking, you're gonna win 7, you're gonna lose 3, right? But if you do strategy hopping and you mix one that has 70% with another one that has 60%, another one that has like 80%, the mixture of those is not 70% on the dot. It's actually worse than that. It's always going to perform with the lowest win rate, you know? So you just have to stick to one. Stick to one, make it work, find the edge cases, fix those, and let it ride, you know?
Also, Mullah man, good thing. I got good news for you, bro. The sweep strategy, I just made it 100 times stronger. You guys will be expecting an update. You guys will be able to update sometime tonight, but it just basically made. Let's have a look. Since last Monday or since last Tuesday, 1 week ago. This literally it's last 7 days. And it made 3.24k, risking 1k maximum, 66% win rate, 1.9. It's including today's, so including that today's this loss, but it was 70. You can see it went all the way up to 4.4k, so you'd have had. It's insane. It's just insane. Okay. The TPs are way bigger, so when you hit TP, you're actually making a lot of money. We were hitting a lot of TPs, but it was not making us a lot of money. But now, this is literally 100, almost 81 points, right? You had one loss today, one win. Let's go through the whole week. You see, we got another loss. That's 2 losses. Win. After this, you never see a loss. Win. Look at this trade. Look at this trade. You entered here and you exit exactly at the top of the market. Look to the tick. That's 175 points. Win. One loss. Win. And win. That's it. That's up to 12 March. Yep. So I think now the sweep strategy is able to pass accounts, to be honest with you. I'm going to be running it on an eval. This new update is insane. It is absolutely insane. I've been trying to figure out a few things. We got our time and price map. All we do is win, no matter what. money on my mind.
I was waiting for that.
Never give it up. And every time we go
And
in
every
the
time we
building,
step up in the building, everybody
everybody's
hands go up,
and they
and they stay there.
Yeah. But yeah, guys, with the new indicator time price, we got literally 100% win rate since last week. The past 6 trading days. Look at this. Each one's up to 200. And each session, it's not just one session. TP, maximum TP, maximum TP, maximum TP, maximum TP. So 3 sessions.
Just avoid Asia. Just avoid Asia.
Actually, it's very powerful in Asia, bro. This is Asia. Look, I'm thinking of start trading Asia. Look, it's strongest in Asia. Look, touch Asia, open, touch. Sorry, we didn't touch it there. We open, we touch Asia there. Slam dunk, boom.
Can you check it on gold on Asia?
It's even stronger on gold in Asia.
Wanna see something? Yeah.
Let's have a look. So where's Asia? Let me see. Oh, this is Asia here. This is Asia, bro. Look at it. 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 You hit it. Chosh. You got Chosh right there.
Yo.
Smack the entry at the Chosh. Stop loss at the swing high. The session high. First TP open. Second TP sweep. Maximum TP is the target. Look at that. It is insane.
And then look, on the ES right now, which time are you using? Are you using the default? Because the default just hit the target.
Oh no, did it?
Yeah.
That's fucking. It did it on NQ, so obviously it has to do with ES too. Yeah, this was a really absurd trade, guys. But we hit it too. Look at that, guys. Look
7
at
points.
Look at ES, guys. Look at ES. Look at ES. Touch it. Get a Chosh. You got a Chosh probably right here. Let's have a look. You got Chosh right there. Smack the entry at the Chosh. Stop loss at the session high. Boom. That's 35 points. That's probably the biggest trade I've seen on an ES.
ES was cleaner than NQ, by the way.
It was. NQ was the opposite. NQ, it was literally the opposite. It was going for longs. So NQ, what it did was, it opened, it went to the sweep, it touched it, gave you a Chosh here, so you entered at the Chosh. You take TP1, TP2, and you try to hold to the target. But unfortunately, it didn't. It was very bullish because it swept previous session low. So we just took a Chosh long here. The Chosh here, and we target that target. So it swept. This one was clean. Touched it, Chosh, maximum TP. This one gave you 2 TPs. This one gave you 1, 2, 3 TPs. If you took both, you'd have had 5 TPs. And it went all the way back down to the other target. Look at this, guys. Look at this.
Look,
yeah, go ahead.
Look, I think that you should do a 1-to-1 with Muraman to check why he keeps a strategy halving, you know?
Of course. Maliman, once you try the update, see it, you'll see it's gonna be really good. And yeah, we could message me for one-on-one, bro. Like, it's good to have one-on-one once in your lifetime. Like, everybody, I suggest them do it once. I took my one-on-one from ICT. What I mean by that is I watched thousands of hours of his videos. But if you guys just want the like all of that just combined into like 1 week, like 7 sessions, 7 hours, combine all this thousands of hours, I recommend it. It's a great investment in your time, in your life, and it helps you. You will never have to worry about it again. You just keep on trading. Second thing I can recommend is watch the bootcamp videos. And third is join every single stream. Guys, every one of you should join all the streams. Okay? Join them. You're making money, you're learning something, and you're watching others do it. So you gives you a confidence boost, and you seeing other people trade. So if they lose, you're not losing alone. If they win, you're not winning alone. And then after that, you'll start fading on your own, right? You don't really need to join, but I recommend you guys still join. I still see people, for example, I knew him for years. I know P. Jones for years. I know Walid for years. I know Ashantif for a year and a half, or maybe 2 years now. So many people that join are Guy. I know him for a long time. El Crack. Everybody, they stay for years and they just join and they learn something every time they join. I'm pretty sure you guys learn something, and at the same time you win money too. So it's not just like you're watching a TikTok where you have good time but it didn't make you money.
Yes,
Or shit in this place. What are you talking about, dog? Gosh, I love this place. This is great.
Mullah man, everybody has a bad habit. I have a bad habit. If I'm off stream, I will take shit ass trades because nobody's watching. But when people are watching, you're not gonna take a shit ass trade.
Oh my God,
Bro,
he's so
every
right.
time I'm off,
He's so
every
right.
time I'm off stream, I'm like, let's go gambling.
Yeah, exactly.
That's fucking facts. Like today, I didn't take that short until just about when you took the short, Luke. And Lord knows, I was like, I saw the entry up top. I was like, yeah, you know what? I'm gonna be real patient right now. I'm not trying to gamble shit.
Yeah, exactly, bro. I had the intuition. I said it on the stream. I wanted to show at the top, but let's just wait a little bit. Like, we're not gonna lose anything. Any trade opportunity we get into is gonna be at least 100 points. So if you miss on 100 points, it's not a problem because you're gonna get the same amount. And you guys saw it did really well.
Also, Luke, you should give me access to this indicator.
Oh shit, you don't have it?
Nah.
Sure, of course, bro. I thought you had access to all the indicators. Drop me what's your trading view?
Yeah, I'll send it to you.
Probably grenade launcher 123.
Bro, you're gonna put me on some list somewhere.
Yeah, you're flagged.
I mean, your name is Grenade. I mean, if there's gonna be a
Yeah,
problem.
they're flagging you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, but I put you a lead for a reason.
Yeah, but
We're
I'll add
getting
you.
time now, 10:30, so and they're trying to hold that zone down then at the target. The next flush
One
will
second.
be hard or you hold it.
Wait, I'll add you after the stream. Pigeons, you're saying ES is what?
The 10:30 time, so 10:30 they will just decide right now whether they have enough with that drop or they're gonna take it more down to 11:15 time. But
Nice.
so far they're trying.
Okay. Can I Pigeons, can I, and you and everybody, can I show you guys something?
Sure.
What time did the slow form? Okay.
10:30.
No.
10:22.
No.
Are we talking ES?
21.
10:21. What does it say here?
21 to 20 something, right?
20:22.
It says
What's in your screen?
10:21.
16 to 21.
16 to 21. So by
Oh,
21.
because what are you using? 3 minutes?
3 minutes, yeah.
Why my 5 minutes says 10:22, 20:25?
Because you get more data on the 5 minute. So it's technically
okay,
more accurate on the 5 minute.
10:22. Okay.
Yeah, so between 10:21 and 10:27, you got at 10:20.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah, but guys, we did the simulation with Chadley where we ran on one of his automation trades. We ran it for let me check the reports. I think this is something good. We ran it for 152K combos, and we found that the most profitable time to trade is the 3 minute and also the 3 minute to the 6 minute. Anything above that, anything below that, it has a negative win rate. Imagine that.
I can agree. I thought tested. I've been trading 3 minutes with you guys since last summer, and I never change it. I do not go below 1 minute, 3 minute, 15 minute anymore. 15 seconds anymore.
I tried the 3 minutes, but I'm still having a hard time, so I'm always sticking with my 5 minutes.
Well, Pigeons, me and you and the others who you do the sweep strategy, we traded 5 minute since the inception of our trading.
Yeah.
But 5 minute takes forever, bro. Forever. One 5 minute candle takes you from the low to the high. What are you gonna do then? And 1 minute is just too much noise. It's too much. But 3
minutes is the sweet spot.
It's the sweet spot. It ends fast and it's not too much less of a data. It's enough data and it's 3 minutes. If you just say a sentence, you already skipped a minute. So.
But for me, the 5 minute is just a confirmation on the higher time frame because I'm watching the higher time frame at the same time. So
100%. Let's see how it is under 1 hour because the 1 hour can give you actually a really. I can't
Oh
help.
shit,
I can't
we're
understand.
having a 4-hour charge, negative charge on ES if they break. Damn.
I can't tell what this candle did, but because it did both target. Oh, so we touched the manipulation. I went to the target. This one we opened, we manipulated, we went to the target. This one we opened, we manipulated, and went to the target. Damn, the hourly is even stronger. So that can give you, if you do the hourly, if you put this on the hourly, it will give you the whole day bias, right? But I don't like that. I'm trading the New York AIM session, so I want my bias to be just session bias. I just want the bias of the New York AIM session, or at least the 1.5 hours I'm trading. So 3 minutes is more than enough. And look how it's just
Yeah,
stuck
3
here.
minutes should be good.
Waleed, look, there's nothing here on the left of the chart. There's nothing. Why is it stuck here?
Yeah.
Why did it go up here? There's nothing here except our target. It's insane.
Also, there is some gamma levels there. Just letting you know.
Of course, there's other stuff as well, but like, I mean, just by
Yeah.
without using any external tool, this, you're long here. Where are we gonna go? That high you just got flopped. You're short here. Where are you gonna go? You're just gonna like. It just gives you. It gives you all the answers in trading. When to enter, what time to enter, what time to exit. Where we should go first for manipulation, because you know market moves in PO3, so it opens, manipulates, and it goes the opposite direction. It tells you open, we manipulate up to this area. Look, it didn't take that high out. It just manipulated into our level and it went straight back down. It manipulated to this level. It didn't just sweep these levels and go back up. Look, it swept it here and then go back up. It swept it here and then it went back straight to the target. Where are we gonna go to the target? It's a really, really impressive indicator.
Yeah, you did a great job with that, man. Very good.
Appreciate it, brother.
Especially
Yeah.
with the timing thing. Especially with the timing.
100%. Any questions, guys? We made our money. We made our explanations. We had a little fun.
Yeah, I think we should keep the stream short and fun for today, so that
100%.
people can watch it and don't be afraid to see that it was long, you know.
Yeah, I mean, we don't just like put the stream on for 2 hours and just not speak or like speak about random stuff. We're explaining everything. Yeah, and having fun at the same time. So watch the video.
Olaman, you're welcome, bro.
You're welcome, brother. Thank you very much. We will upload this to YouTube, and you guys will be able to watch it.
Thank you, Luke.
Also, guys, we were thinking about changing our name because of TikTok and Instagram being fucking pussies because we use shisha and they flag us for tobacco usage and drug abuse.
You for serious? You for real?
Yeah. I'm not even kidding, bro. The last videos we have on our TikTok didn't hit any views. It's sitting at 0 for like 6 videos now.
Yeah.
Damn.
Because of the shisha.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I smoked, like I put, when I was recording a video, I was smoking the shisha and there was like smoke. But yeah, maybe ST traders or S traders or like same name, but.
Or STG.
Yeah, STG, like still shisha traders, but without like make it as
The acronyms nowadays.
As an acronym, yeah. STG.
Yeah, without explicitly saying it.
Yeah.
Fucked up, man.
At STG we have no
Make-
STDs.
DDs.
Yeah, you
Name it
can have boobs showing up on videos with girls breastfeeding their children, but you cannot have shisha. God
Right.
forbid,
No.
you know.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
You can have someone's ass flop in your For You page, but you can have some smoke. God forbid.
You can't have no tobacco smoke.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because they don't know what you're smoking. That's the thing, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, true.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the take home message is watch the videos, guys. Like Dep V2, he tells me in DMs, he says, I'm watching all the videos you posted since last week and stuff, and he's finding it useful. So watch it. Like you see stuff repeat every single day, so it just helps you become a better trader, right? If you're just learning, if we just explain something new every single day, like just fully new, not going back over what we did before, it won't be that as efficient. But if you repeat the same surgery 10 times, even if you're not a surgeon, you can be able to apply the strategy, right? So long you don't get complications. So watch them. Put on 2x speed, and we also with Walid we're making like shorts, like the same video we're uploading it as a full 1 hour, and we're also uploading it as like a 1 minute
We're gonna
video.
make more shorts, yeah.
Yeah, just showing the fancy trades. But if you just want like, oh, you like the trade, how did we do it? You can just watch the whole video.
Yeah, and the shorts are just for entertainment value. They will not have the golden bits and pieces.
100%.
They might from time to time, but those usually don't do well on socials.
Yeah, they don't do well.
All that does well is like that's why I did the music, is stuff like that, you know.
Yeah. All right, so okay, guys, it's a good place to end the stream because we hit our longs target, we hit our shorts target, and now we're just done for the AM session. If you guys want to trade, how would you use the information we learned today? You can go at PM session. In the PM session, exactly, you will do exactly the same thing. For example, this was yesterday's. Hold on, where is it? Here. This was Nuke AM. This was. Now we on. Huh. Wait, what?
Okay.
You go to the PM session. I thought this was the PM session. But you go to the PM session and you repeat the same thing. So you will have, for example, this is 1 o'clock, 1 PM. You go on the chart and then the next candle, hopefully, next few candles. Alright, 34, this candle. Huh. You got applied, right? Now you got your game plan. You got your game plan if you want to trade the PM session. We sweep that top level. We wait for a chosh and we take a TP1 here, TP2 here, and TP3 maximum TP here. Right? That's it. We sweep the lower one. We look for here. So for example, we open, we manipulate into this level. Now we wait for a chosh. We got a chosh. For example, you took 30 micros on. Don't do 30 micros. You target this. You put stop loss at that low. And you essentially will go, God willing, hit your TP. Okay? That's it. You know where the price is going to manipulate to. You know what you're going to be targeting. That's it. Repeat it in the PM session.
Yeah, and also if you are up, I would suggest closing everything and getting off.
Of course, if you're up, close. I think also most of you took the trades, so call it a day. And we'll be back tomorrow at the same time. So we're going to be starting the streams about 9:15, 9:20. So we don't have to be rushing 9:30. Market open. What we're going to look for. What I'm going to explain. I want to explain something, but the market is moving in our favor and I want to take the trade. No, we start 9:15, 9:20. We'll just do our game plan, see what we did, what we're doing, what we're going to do. And then at 9:30, we'll execute. Okay?
Yep.
Thank you all, Pigeon. Thank you, Walid. Thank you, Shante, Guy.
Thank you.
Deb,
Thank you, guys.
Take care.
Enjoy.